Commonwealth versus Edward Purdue, 25 CR 0010. Are you Edward Purdue?
Yes, sir.
Good morning. Your birthday was 1986.
Yes, sir.
Last four digits, social security number 5926. You're here for sentencing today. Have you had an opportunity to look at Creek?
I've already updated the social security number with probation and parole.
Is it substantially correct?
It is.
Have you read it?
Yes.
Okay. So your reason that gentleman should not be sentenced today?
No, Your Honor.
On plea of guilty possession of controlled substance, first degree, first offense, methamphetamine, he should receive a sentence of 2 years. Probated for 4 years, supervised. Be referred to the social services clinician, follow their recommendations. Shall obtain gainful employment, it'll be 30 hours, 3 credit until he finds gainful. Really quick process. You need some time to pay that. You need some time to pay the $155. You pay your first payment 30 days from today. Okay, and $30 every day, every month after that. So it's paid in full, okay?
Thank you.
Yes. Do you meet with that, sir? Do you meet with probation and parole with you? Sure. April Blevins. Commonwealth versus April Blevins, 25 CR 0011. How are you, April Blevins?
April, Billford, Blevins, Collins.
What?
Collins, I'm Collins now, baby.
Okay. Commonwealth take note of that. We'll amend the indictment. April Blevins Collins. She's recently married.
That's been about 10, 12 years ago.
That's pretty recent.
But
Okay, you're here for the purpose of arraignment. You have the right to decide. The grand jury Clinton County has returned an indictment charging you with operating motor vehicle under the influence, possession of drug paraphernalia. Additional alcohol containing possession of alleged drug, possession of controlled substance, methamphetamine, failure to maintain insurance. You acknowledge the identity of your client, receiving indictment, waive formal reading or anything, pleading not guilty, reserving all pre-trial motions.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, I'm signing a reciprocal discovery order here that requires the Commonwealth to provide information to help you prepare for your defense. There you go. You have a negotiation day on January the 5th, and the next court date is on January the 8th. Okay.
thank you, Your Honor.
Christopher Braswell. Commonwealth versus Christopher Braswell, 25 CR 0088. Christopher Braswell.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. Were you born in 1999?
Yes, sir.
Last four digits, social security number 5737.
Yes, sir.
You're here on a 25 CR 0088 for pretrial conference. What do we have?
Commonwealth needs, another negotiation day.
Negotiation day will be on January the 5th. Next court day is on January the 8th. Both of them are conditions you bond. Shara Brown. Commonwealth versus Shara Brown, 25 CR 0087. Are you Charlotte Brown?
Yes.
You born in 1984, last four digits, social security number 0164. We're here for a pretrial conference. What's the Commonwealth?
So we need a new negotiation day.
What's going on?
This is a circumstance.
Yeah, okay, well. Let's do it. Negotiation day on January 5th, next court day on January the 8th, okay?
Thank you.
Brett Carvin.
Agreed order continuing the case in January.
Is there a negotiation date?
It wasn't, that was not included.
We're still waiting on a report from KSB, so we can't negotiate.
January the 8th, by agreed order. Danny Clark. I want the Danny Clark, 25 CR 00102. Are you Danny Clark?
Yes, sir.
Born in 1974.
Yeah.
Last 4 digits, social security number 8651.
Yes.
Good morning. You're there on a pretrial.
It's a pretrial diversion plea.
Motion been tendered, says you wish to enter a guilty plea today, is that correct? Or are you currently having insurance, drugs or alcohol? Is this plea freely and voluntarily given?
Yes,
Okay. You're the same person that we just identified in 25 CR 00101, is that correct?
yes,
Is your judgment impaired? Have you discussed these charges with your attorney? Are you satisfied with his advice?
Yes.
Have you reviewed the evidence Commonwealth had against you and you believe you're fully informed about your case?
yes,
You understand that you don't have to plead guilty to that. You have certain rights under Kentucky, United States Constitution, for except family. Don't you understand those rights? I'm gonna go over $10. You're right not to testify against yourself, no one can make you say anything, your right to speak, or jury, your right to be heard, to counsel at your jury trial. Your right to confront, cross them, and all witnesses called to testify against you. You have a right to issue process, compel attendance to your witnesses that you call. You have the right to produce the evidence. And a right to appeal this matter to higher court if you lose. You understand that the Commonwealth has to prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. You understand that? Now, by entering it, by entering a plea, that you give up all those rights. Now, make consider Commonwealth's recommendation from every time we make a sentencing by the law, and I give separate recommendation. In the event that I do not accept the recommendation and decide to, it's more strenuous sentence, you have a right to withdraw from the trial. You understand that? Let me ask you some qualifying questions. Have you been convicted? Have you been diverted in a case within the last 5 years?
No.
You know, felony convictions that in the past 10 years.
no,
Do you understand if you fully complete the diversion program, charges will be dismissed and tried diverted? Do you understand that if you do not complete the diversion program, you'll be brought back before the court and the court will schedule a sentencing hearing? Do you know that?
yes,
What is the Commonwealth's, move a little bit to the left, so what is the Commonwealth's recommendations?
To dismiss possession of drug paraphernalia, upon a plea of guilty to possession of a controlled substance, first degree, first offense methamphetamine, the defendant shall receive a sentence of 3 years pretrial diverted for 5 years supervised. The defendant shall be referred to the social service clinician and following any and all recommendations of the clinician. The defendant shall receive credit for time served. The defendant should do a minimum of 30 hours per week of community service until gainful employment is obtained. The defendant agrees to have any and all evidence in the above case disposed of in a manner with the laws of the state of Kentucky and the holding agency.
Is that your understanding of the Commonwealth's recommendation?
yeah,
You plead guilty because you did commit that charge in the indictment, is that right? You have to, it's a voice activated microphone.
oh, yes, yes,
You know, I mean, you have to shake your head pretty hard.
yeah, yeah,
You didn't serve your own free will?
yes,
You know, your constitutional rights to still your desire to proceed with this plea, allow the court to fix your punishment.
yes,
And you know, if you violate, you're brought back in,
yes,
then you'll have a police investigation where you get convicted felon, that can be dismissed.
yes,
Is that your seizure on the motion?
yes,
I would agree to accept that, sir. You need the probation parole officer, they give him certain information.
okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Shirley can answer. Agreed order to continue the case. Erica Decker.
wait, Judge, which case?
No, sure.
Shirley can answer.
Okay. That's very. I believe that should be here, to get a date for a suppression hearing, Mr. Cross, is that?
We continued it yesterday.
Oh, we did? Glad we did. Thank you.
Yesterday was a very agreeable day. Erica, nobody agreed on anything for you yesterday. You have an attorney? What? You gotta say something. Yes, no, maybe, next
No, I
week.
don't. I need a
Why is it
court
you
one.
don't have an attorney here?
I can't afford one.
Okay, will you fill out the form? Go over there, so I'll be back up there. Amy Elliott. Amy Elliott. Are you Amy Elliott?
Yes.
Good morning. This is 25 CR 00102. Miss Elliott, were you born in 1974?
Yes,
Last 4 digits social security number is 4733. Is that right?
yes, yes,
You're here today for a pre-trial conference. What is the top of this?
The comment agrees to dismiss possession of drug paraphernalia, place A district.
Is this a miss?
It's a felony.
Well,
Okay, well, let me do that. Let me do the plea first.
okay.
And I'll call it, Mr. Chair. You move over, ma'am, you move behind the microphone. A motion's been tendered and says you wish to enter a plea today. Is that correct?
yes,
Are you currently under the influence of drugs or alcohol?
no,
Are you freely and voluntarily given? Is plea freely and voluntarily given?
yes,
Are you the same person that we just identified in 25 CR 0010? Excuse me. 25 CR 00102. The correct number?
Yes. Yeah, you're 102.
That you?
yes,
Okay, you understand that you don't have to enter your certain rights of the United States Constitution. One of those rights to be represented by counsel. Have you discussed this matter with your attorney and are you satisfied with his advice?
yes,
You have the right not to testify against yourself. No one can make you say anything, right? There's speeding trial by jury, right? You're represented by counsel at your jury trial, right? In front and crossing and all witnesses called to testify against you. There's evidence, right? To call witnesses in favor. Right to fill us matter, how important you really, right? Part of the Commonwealth, pretty well raised without your guilt and understand. But entering the plea that you give up all those rights.
yes,
I understand there's going to be is this a diversion? So
It's a felony plea.
it's the felony. Yeah. Okay, prior to accepting the implementing the agreement, I will order a pre-sentence investigation report to be done by probation and parole. After seeing that, if I don't, I determine to give you a more serious punishment and reject Commonwealth's recommendation, you have a right to withdraw your plea.
yes,
Okay. Now, Mr. Judd, hit it there. Thank you.
Commonwealth agrees to dismiss the possession of drug paraphernalia. Upon a plea of guilty to possession of a controlled substance, first degree, first offense, methamphetamine, the defendant shall receive a sentence of 3 years probated for 5 years supervised. The defendant shall enter and complete a long-term treatment facility determined by and scheduled through DPA and agreed upon by the Commonwealth attorney. The defendant shall receive credit for time served. The defendant shall obtain gainful employment or do a minimum of 30 hours of community service work until gainful employment is obtained. The defendant agrees to have any and all evidence in the above case disposed of in a manner with the laws of the state of Kentucky and the holding agencies.
What you agree to, ma'am?
yes,
Are you doing so because you did commit the acts charged in the indictment as amended?
yes,
You're making this plea of your own free will.
yes,
Okay, now knowing your constitutional rights, I've explained to you, is it still your desire to give up those rights, enter plea guilty and allow a 45th conviction?
yes,
Okay, you understand if the entering this plea, any future convictions, felonies could be enhanced or persistent felony penalty.
Yes.
Is that your signature on the docket there?
yes,
I'll accept the agreement order, precinct investigation report, we, then my probation, parole, schedule, sentencing for January the eighth a year. You shall remain free on your same bond.
Thank you.
Yeah. Let's, Commonwealth versus Kimberly Elmore.